So yeah, here a while ago we made this small change in the implementation of review answers method in exam class. So here in these lines we print the values stored in these properties: true or false question, multiple choice question, and essay question. So when I go back to this main class, okay, this is the object I created from exam class called exam answer1, and then I gave values to these properties as if it's an answers to these questions, okay, and then I called the function called review answers. So when I run this program, I got reviewing answers, then true or false question equal true, multiple choice question equal 3, essay question equal, this is my essay, this is my answer to essay question. Look, all these values I'm getting here, okay? And yeah, that's it. You asked me a question uh, if it's necessary to use scanner class here. And I said no, it's not important. Like it's a simple example to show you the implementation of class and then creating objects from this class and how to give values to this object. Okay, so no, it's not mandatory to use a scanner class for
How uh, how
simplicity.
how how will user answer the questions?
It's just an example. Like there is no exam, it's not a real exam, and these answers are not real answers. That's
Mm-hmm.
why I give dummy answers, okay, to these questions. That's why we don't need scanner class. But as
Oh.
like, what if it's a real exam and these
Mm-hmm.
answers should be real answers? By that time, we should receive the answers from the user. Then we will use a scanner class. But for now,
Right.
we just give dummy answers because it's not a real questions, it's not a real exam, you know?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Yeah, that is it. So yeah, now since I have already one object, what if I want to create a second one? Like assume this answer is for student X. Now I have another student Y, and he has some different answers to the exam. So I will copy all this code, okay? Then I will create another object, second object. I will call it exam answer 2, not 1, but 2, okay? I'll change all these values from exam answer 1 to exam answer 2. Okay. Now this true or false question, I will make it false instead of true. This multiple choice question, I will give an answer of 5 instead of 3. This is my answer to essay question. Now I will change this and I will say I'm a different person or I'm a different student and I have my own answer. Okay, so if I run this program again, look here, I use exactly the same code, okay, but with different objects and different values, okay? Then I run the two functions, review answers and calculate. So now if I run my program, look at the output. First, reviewing answers. True or false question, true. Multiple choice question, 3. This is my answer to essay questions. Where did I get these values? It's here from exam answer 1. Okay? Exam answer 1 that has these values. Okay? Next, I get another review answers statement. Then true or false question, this time it's false. Multiple choice question, this time it's 5. Say question, I'm a different student and I have my own answer. So look at the difference. Everything is the same, but the values are. Why the values are different? Because I gave different values, okay, to the second object. But here questions are the same. They are, members of the same class called exam. Okay, so these questions never change. These functions also never change. Okay, but what change is the values I'm giving to each object of this. You understand?
Yes.
Okay, great. Now we want to give you some brief points about this class and object thing. So here about the class. Class is a template or blueprint in which objects are created, right? And as we said, it's the same as questions in exam, right? And you already understand the exam example. All our code must be inside a class. We cannot put code outside the class. What else? Java program can have an unlimited number of classes. Do you want to have some other, example of this class? Like this exam class, created by who?
This exam class?
Yes, it's created by me, the
Yes.
programmer, right? Or by you, right? Okay, but let me ask you a question. Is all classes are created by us as programmers?
What's the question?
Let me give you an example. What is this system? Can you tell me what is this system is?
Print statement.
Yeah, system. Yeah, it's a print statement. Yes, exactly. The whole line is a print statement. But I'm just talking about this word state system. What is it?
I'm not sure what that means.
If I navigate to this system, most probably I will find it a class. Look, public final class system. Don't worry much now about public and final, we'll discuss them later, but now I want you to know that this system is just a class. But this system class is not created by us. It's created by Java team, right? I feel like you're confused now.
Yeah, system is a class. Yes.
System is a class.
Yeah, it makes
I
sense.
want
Yes.
you to know, yes, because I want you to know that not all classes should be created by us from scratch. There are some predefined classes, okay, that exist in Java SDK, which are created by Java team, and we as programmers, we can simply import it and use it. Let me write this note to you. Some classes are created by programmers from scratch. Some other classes are predefined in Java SDK, which stands for Java Software Development Kit, which is a set of predefined classes, okay, made by or created by Java team and they are ready to use. The same as this system class, for example, like this one, it's a system class. What other example of this class is a string class. String is also a class, as you can see. And string, like, we are not the one who creates this string class. It's already created for us by Java team. Thank you, Java team, right? Here, we just use this string, but we are not the one who creates a string. You understand?
Yes, it's already made for us.
Yes, exactly. It's made for us and we just use it, okay? But
Send it into Boolean.
this exam class, I'm the one who created.
Yep. Yeah, you did. Yeah.
Okay, so now you know the difference. It's clear, right?
Yes.
Okay, great. So on the other hand, sorry?
System is a class.
Yes, system also is a class. Okay. And you use this print, look, it's a function. Look, public void println function. So we will again talk about these functions later, probably next session. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, but I just want you to know that system is just an ordinary class. String is a class. Okay. And exam is a class. All of them are classes. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Now, on the other side, we need to talk about the object. So what is an object? Object is an instance
variable,
yeah, of the class. Okay. It has services. Not one, number two. Number two, class, sorry, object holds the state. State can be also called property or a value or a data, okay, and the behavior. Behavior also called functionality. Okay, this one is same as also is the same as answers for an exam. Okay, you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Third, we can create unlimited number of objects from the same class. And each object holds its own values for the same properties of it inside its class. Each object is not aware of the value inside in other objects. Okay. And can you remind me of the object-oriented programming definition? Can you define object-oriented programming to me? You want me to help you? Okay. We said that object-oriented, it's a concept where we can represent everything by objects, where objects have state and behavior. Then we can get output from objects objects interaction. Right? You understand?
Yes.
Okay, great.
I only have okay.
You have questions?
I only have two.
I cannot hear you. You can send me in chat. I don't know what's wrong with your microphone. Sometimes your voice is very clear, sometimes it's low, and I cannot hear you now. Send me in chat, please. Send me your question.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. It's fine if you have to go. Like, that's enough for today. Okay. And we can continue tomorrow. I
Thank you
hope
so much.
this session is useful.
Yeah, thank you.
If you have any other question, you can ask me anytime.
Okay, I'm going to
Okay, great. Have a good day. Enjoy your time.
thank you so
You're most welcome. See you
much.
tomorrow.
I know.
See you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Yeah. See you.
Bye.